Howdy, Michael the Mercedes guy here, and we're going to do a replacement for the seal around your filler. What happens, these seals go bad. This particular one has been drenched with diesel over the years to where it's real soft and gushy, and it doesn't have the elasticness necessary to be tight on the filler. Now this particular 116 car, the door won't stay open. So, do a little process here. With a piece of wire. This is aluminum. You want to be real careful of that paint. And there we go. Okay, you want to take the cap off. Now you want to be careful here about getting stuff in the filler, into your tank. I'm using a pretty big rag, so there's no chance of it disappearing into the tank. Then you can get the old one out one of two ways. One is to push it inside, but to retrieve it, you need to remove the cover panel on the tank. This particular time we're going to pull it out this way, and which is a little trickier to do. And oftentimes it will require pushing it in anyway. So I'm using a hook tool. Okay. But this is such a soft piece that it's not really staying hooked. So we're going to probably have to remove that panel. Remove it by pushing it into the car. I'm going to do my best here. I think I did it. All right. There we go. As you can see, that's shot. And when this doesn't seal, then you end up with a certain amount of diesel entering your trunk. We're going to clean this off here. Now, one of the secrets of being able to do this is to take a look and see where the most amount of space is around the filler. And as you can see, the most amount of space is here. So that's where you enter it, and then you rotate the seal around to the spot where you have the least amount of room. Okay. I'm just making sure that the neck is kind of clean. Yeah, it is. Next step, I'm going to use a little bit of lubricant here just to make it easier. Then we've got to get this thing, the lip started onto the body. So that lip is down in there. There we go. Okay, that part is started. Now I'm using a piece of wood rather than or a big screwdriver, so because you don't want to poke a hole in this. So get that lip. Okay, that is definitely in. So I'm going to rotate this. Okay, and then push in some more. And keep doing that. And the last little bit should just pop into place. There you go. That is fully in all the way around. We're working in the rain here today. Another thing you want to always check is this rubber seal. Make sure it's not cracked. You can replace the seal. And that job is done.